So I'm here today with David Schnabel, who is Communications and Events Manager at the National Association of Episcopal Schools, and we're here at the ASAE Annual Conference in Salt Lake City. David, you're doing some neat things with your conference, your biennial conference. Tell us about Biennial.
Well, Biennial is a signature event for the association. It happens in the fall of even-numbered years, every other year, and it's basically the big meeting, the big homecoming for heads of school, chaplains, administrators, rectors, boards of trustees, vestries, senior administrators, and people who are just sort of friends and family of our schools.
David, this is a signature event for you. I mean, you've said if people come to Biennial, they're members for life.
Yeah, we talk about it as our drink the Kool-Aid moment. We really do see a level of engagement and a sustaining and a almost absolute renewal of membership that happens for folks that have come to the conference. They have such a great experience and understand the larger context for their work, so they're happy to be part of the association.
So you've got some different goals this year, some new and kind of ambitious goals.
Yeah, we do. The conference was reshaped about 10 to 15 years ago, and that reshaping has led to the conference being smaller. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but our goal this year is to try and increase the participation of key constituencies within our schools, our heads, our chaplains, our rectors, and our trustees. And we have some pretty ambitious goals. We want to go to like 40% of our member heads, and that's going to require a really big effort on our part.
So you're doing some new and different things this year. Tell us about that.
Well, we are. We have decided to really look at the data that can help us understand how our marketing efforts are working and where we need to deploy our resources. So we instituted a new sort of package of Google Analytics tools, UTM codes, conversion tracking, custom dimensions, and a real serious effort to put in annotations in our Google Analytics. So that way we can understand what is driving people to our website, what is leading them to convert, i.e. register for the conference, and then ultimately to use that data to figure out how we need to deploy our resources for future conferences, how to get the best bang for our limited small staff association dollar.
So David, just step back for a second. So the UTM codes you'll put into every piece of marketing so that you can track which initiative is driving traffic.
Absolutely. They go into everything. Our newsletter, our plain text email blasts. We even put them in the signatures of every staff member on the staff of the association.
And you've got clicks, right?
Right, and they're actually, every one of the UTM codes is unique to every one of those efforts, so that we can really understand where people are coming from when they come to our website.
And the custom dimensions are going to give you more information about who's coming by role.
Absolutely, by role, by the size type for their membership dues. It'll also let us know the kind of school that they're coming from and their job function, which will be really important. So we'll be able to see who the people are generally, not specifically, but generally, who the people are that are coming to our website and whether they're converting and how they might be converting.
And then where the rubber meets the road is the conversion tracking, where your Matrix Max registration form will look for the UTM codes in the cookie and grab that source code. So you'll see if it was the missive that converted or the brochure or whatever.
Right, the campaign name that we're using for all of our UTM coding is now attached and embedded in the record for the meeting in our Matrix Max AMS. So that registration process says, oh, the campaign name is Biennial. Let me call into the analytics and look to see and connect back into the analytics who those people are.
Wow, so for the first time you'll get more data about who's coming to the pages, what's driving traffic and what's driving conversions.
Absolutely. And again, the data is all well and good, but it's then the decision-making process that we need to make after we collect all the data to really help us decide, is it more email? Is it less email? Is it more print? Is it less print? Where are the dollars? Where's the staff time going that it can be most effective in getting more people to come to the conference, to come to the website, and to register?
So in effect, really kind of realizing the dream of being a data-driven decision-making organization.
Absolutely. We're not willing anymore to kind of go, oh, we sort of understand, we sort of know what's happening. We really want to be able to make hard data choices and really understand what the numbers are actually showing them. It's also going to help me make the case to kill the sacred cows that I need to kill, because I sort of instinctively know what needs to be done, but I really need the data to say to the executive leadership, to say to the board, these things are not paying off, these things are.
Wow, David, we'll look forward to the results. Thanks so much and have fun in Salt Lake City.
Thanks, Joanna. You take care.
Thanks for watching the Matrix Minute. Don't forget to connect with us on our blog and social media. For more information, go to matrixgroup.net.